Well, hey, I need another program. This one's called Remmina. I think I'm saying that right. It is a remote desktop client thingy. Anyway, let's here. Search it. Here we go. So we'll go here first, and included in our distribution. So yeah, pretty cool little program. Allows you to connect to many remote sessions all at one time. You can tab them, you can window them, you can. I mean, it's really nice. So go here and be like, yep, Buster backports 1.410. So that's the version we will get on the Debians. So here we go. It's pretty easy. Do the same old sudo apt update, put in the password, make sure we're up to date, and then we'll do a here, go over to the terminal, sudo apt install Remmina. Yes, I would like that, please. Thank you very much. All right, cool. Done. Let's see if it. Let's see if it showed up. I think it's in internet. Yep, internet. Remmina. Sorry, not on this machine. However, here we go. So let's create a new connection real quick. I know it is a VNC, and I know the server is Sun. Oh, I got that wrong. Oh, an X2200 model. And I believe it's at 5901. Let's do true color, best, lowest. Map meta keys for funsies. Click advanced. Yeah, good. And let's see if we can connect. Unable to connect. Huh. What was it then? I could have sworn it was that. Maybe. Maybe. Oh. Let's check real quick. All I gotta do is pop over to the server. Or not. Well, go back to the terminal and SSH into that thing. Oh, it's 10. Duh. No wonder I couldn't connect to it. We'll save and connect. Unable to connect. Okay, that's fine. Well, let's just start up the server. There we go. Close. Connect. There we go. Oh, why is it so horrible? Close it again here, edit the connection one more time. Oh, that's why. True color, best, slowest, password, put in the password. We don't have to type it in all the time. The keyboard mapping. Okay, save and connect. There we go, that looks much better. And now we will full screen. There we are. So now I'm on my server. There it is. Sun X2200. I don't know if I can. That doesn't help. Either which way, there we have it. It works. Go ahead and disconnect. Here we go. Thanks for watching. Till next time.